So this is an unboxing of the Razer Core X, the external GPU, of course using Thunderbolt 3. Let's just have a look around the box here. It's a very heavy device. Comes with a little handle so you can carry it easily home. But of course this understated brown and black box here. Nothing really special. So let's get to the content inside and let's cut this seal. Of course with my little unboxing knife here. Like so. And let's just have a closer look. My little studio is not really geared towards such big things like this Razer Core X. So I'm struggling a little bit with the actual space I have available, but bear with me. Of course, for gamers, bar gamers, the slogan, and some Razer writings on the inside here. First off, you get this little box. Let's take a look at that later and get to the actual core, which is the Razer Core X, of course. It's kind of hard to get out the box, so I'll just put the box out of frame, and after some struggle, out came the Core X here. So let's have a closer look at the device itself. It's a fairly big eGPU, but it's also quite a powerful little eGPU. Comes with a 650 watt power supply and can handle very big cards, up to 33 centimeters in length. Let's just put off this little wrapping here. I'm not really sure how much it actually protects the device. But yeah, looks good. And let's have a closer look at the device here. Of course, it's made of steel. No fancy aluminium here. It's also very heavy. There is some venting on the side here. This is the side where the graphics card is supposed to be. On the bottom, you have this very big rubberized stand there, so it won't slip around on the table. A 120mm fan pulls out air into the device, and of course the power supply next to it right there. And the front of the device looks kind of metal, but it is just plastic. If my camera would just focus right there. Little plastic grill, looks pretty nice. And of course on the back here, you just have the connection for the power switch, Thunderbolt 3 cable, and of course this is also where the graphics card I/O would rest when you have installed the graphics card. It's got a very fancy Hinge system right here. Just pulling the handle and you can take out the whole tray. Getting to the graphics card very easily. That's also one very nice thing about this case eGPU here. It doesn't require any tools to get inside. Of course, this is the GPU sizing guide to guide you through what size of GPU you could actually fit in there. I have a 32 centimeters Nitro Plus in there, and it fits just snugly in there. So nothing bigger. But of course, 650 watts power supply. It can deliver up to 400 watts to the GPU itself. And let's just have a look around the device here. You can see the big fan, and of course, you connect the graphics card to the socket right there. It got two 8-pin connectors, so it should be plenty for at least the 90% of all cards out there. Let's take a look at the little box here. Thank you for choosing a Razer system, and of course go to support.razer.com and register your device, your Core X, and it comes with this kind of nice, actually, Quickstart guide or manual. It will definitely get you started without much knowledge to what you are doing. You get great graphical images, and of course those nice Razer stickers. You cannot live without those. Those are the whole price worthy. And you get a small Thunderbolt 3 cable. It's a 0.5 meters cable. It's plenty if you want to keep the Razer Core X next to a computer, but you can also get a 2 meters active cable. And of course you get this power cable as well. Nothing fancy here, just a European plug in the one end, and you get this three connector in the other end. So yeah, that's all in this little black box here, and pretty much all for this unboxing. I plan to do some videos in the future with this and the Nitro Sapphire Plus Vega 64 card. It's a rather big Vega 64 card. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.